Hey there everyone, it is Stephen Banks here from BrokeToBanks.com and welcome to the Automation Secrets Review. Now I have to tell you, it's not every day that a product like this comes along, so I am super excited for this one. Now as usual, I'm going to tell you what the product is, I'm going to show you the sales page, I'm going to show you the upsells and the downsells so that you can save some money. I'm then also going to show you the back end, the members area, and of course all of those delicious juicy bonuses that you're going to get exclusively through me. So without further ado, let's have a look. So what is Automation Secrets? Now Automation Secrets is something that I wish came out long ago. It didn't, but Rocky just made it available, and I honestly think it's something that does not get talked a lot about. Reason being is these are the things that seven-figure marketers do in order to make all of those juicy commissions and the profits that you always see. Now, if you've bought any product online, you know how to make money. This is not how to make money, but this will, and I mean it will improve your results, and it will enhance tenfold any product you've ever bought before. Reason being is this is all about doing it the right way, all about automating your business, all about setting things up in such a way that is easy to do, that you have to do minimal amounts of work for maximum profits. If you don't believe me, let's have a look right now. Now, with this, you can discover the simple system that automated 90% of Rocky's digital marketing process and multiplied his profits time and time again. Now, this is not some hoo-ha. I know Rocky. He's always open. He's got coaches that he pays thousands for, and this is something that will only be revealed on those coaching things, but now you're going to get it for a really cheap price from the beginning. Now he's going to show you how to organize your quick working systems. He's going to show you how to utilize tools that speed up the process, and best of all, it's absolutely free. That's the best part. And you're going to create quicker profits as well. So if you want to set things up one time and do things the right way, then this is the way to do it. Again, this is not about how to make money. This will not show you a method or a strategy, but this will show you the right way. Things that it doesn't get talked about by a lot of people unless you get personal coaching. There is no way that these seven-figure marketers can do all of this stuff themselves. There's no way that they can do it the manual way, because honestly, it takes a lot of work and there's not enough hours in the day. And if you want to save yourself some time, and if you want to do things the right way, the way that those marketers have done, if you want to finally see results, if you want to scale your business to, I mean, $10 here and there, that's great if that's what you're looking for. But if you want to make $1,000, $2,000, $10,000, well, then you're going to have to think about the back end, how you set up your business, how you have these things work for you, how you don't have to trade your time for money. That is a big, big deal. Now he's going to show you a whole bunch. I'm not going to go through the whole sales page, but you can see he makes a lot of money. That's Ronnie Rocksmith himself. This guy is really... I just realized I said his name was Rocky in the beginning. My mistake. It's been a long day. Ronnie Rocksmith. Now he's done this trading really, really well, and I'm going to show you in the back end real quick. So right over here, once you have purchased the front end product, this is what you're going to get. This is the members area, and inside you're going to get your welcome video, you're going to get your overview, and I'm not going to open these things because you'll see a lot of the free tools and software that you're going to get, but I don't want to give you access to them yet. You're going to have to get this through his link in order, through my link in order to get all those juicy bonuses. Now, he's got a business model here that is modeled by, I'm talking about a guy that, I'm talking millions. Now, he coaches and sells software to the world's internet marketers. I'm not joking, this is a big deal. However, Ronnie has tweaked it a little bit in order to make it simpler, in order to make even more money, and I think he did a really good job on that. He's going to show you organization, the tools, the strategies. So he's going to show you the automation process. Now, this is something that I have not even done in my own business, and once I've watched this, it is an absolute goldmine. Now, I can tell you, take my word for it, you need it, but it doesn't matter what I say. This is about you, and if you want to be serious about internet marketing, then this is what you need to pick up. This is not even about me making my commission off of this, because this is something that I recommend in my Facebook group. And honestly, even if you don't pick it up through my link, go ahead, purchase it through anybody else's link. Uh, this is just honest to goodness something that you're going to need. There's going to be bonuses, which is the secret hacks, YouTube cash, 3 email tips, and there's upgrades over there. Now you can purchase them if you have not purchased them yet, once you go through the funnel, of course. And I'm going to show you over here, this is my review site. Now if you're watching the video on this page, well, welcome to the website. And all you need to do is literally just click on any of these blue buttons. They're all over the page. You can see them all over there. You just click on any of them. That's going to take you to the sales page. You purchase Automation Secrets and you're going to be good to go. Now, what are those bonuses that I'm going to throw in for you? Let me show you. The bonuses are as follows. These are exclusive to me. These are things that I have set up, and this is from coaching that I have gotten people that I've paid $2,500 for that's revealed these things to me. Now I'm going to give you the 31-day worksheet checklist. Now with this checklist by your side, you can cut down on so many hours of struggle. Again, this goes really well with Automation Secrets. This is literally a checklist that you can print out and you can just tick off one by one. It's super easy task, but there's no more guessing. There's no more waking up in the day and thinking, but what should I do? And you get overwhelmed and it's a mess. This will sort all that out for you. It's going to get a nice clean checklist, easy to implement, and this is going to propel you. This is going to make things as smooth and easy as possible. And if you join this with Automation Secrets, there's no excuse for you to work a regular 9-to-5 job if you don't want to. This is honestly, if I just gave you this one bonus, then you're gonna be not the smartest person if you do skip on it. And I hate to say that because I think you all are clever, intelligent people. That's why you're in this business. Now, to sweeten the deal, I'm also going to give you 24 list building method checklist. Again, it's another checklist. And normally when you buy a system, when you pay for products, it'll show you 1, 2, or 3 different ways of how to build a list, because let's be honest, the money is in the list. How many times have you heard it? You're on my email list, you're on, I'm sure, on so many people's email list. And the reason is because if you purchase, I can promote to you, I can give you training, and then if you purchase anything from my link that I think is worthwhile, again, I'll never spam you, but if there's a product that I believe in, I will send it to you, and if you purchase it, I'll make a commission. That's list building. That's why you want to list. And this is going to show you 24 different methods. So if you have to think about it, if each product that you buy normally gives you about 3 traffic methods, this could be 8 products worth of traffic methods right here. That's valued at $49. The 31 worksheet checklist is valued at $47. Bonus 3, secret hacks. That's going to be fun, and that's $97. Now you can get the secret YouTube code that blocks related videos from showing at the end of your review videos. Because let's be honest, you don't want to give your money away. You've created a review video or training or whatever it is. Perhaps you've bought done for your systems where you plug that in. But on YouTube, they like to promote other people's stuff as well. And you do not want those people, once they come to your video, to go away and purchase through anybody else. Now, this little code, it's not talked about. I'm pretty sure YouTube would not want this out there, but now with this, you're gonna have a good little ninja trick that you can use in order to stop them from taking the money away from you. You're going to also get secret hacks, which will also show you the cool little tool that will make your conversion rates go through the roof. That means the more people see your offer, you're going to have a higher rate of people purchasing that offer, whatever it is, or wherever you want them to go. And if that's not already a great deal, I'll even give you the sweet little hack that'll instantly build a buyer's list, because the money is in a list, but more specifically, the money is in a buyer's list. You want proven buyers on your list because those people spend money, and you want them to spend money with you. So you're going to get that. That's valued at $97. And we get YouTube Cash. This is all about YouTube, the right way to pitch an affiliate offer on YouTube. What to write in your YouTube descriptions to get better results, because every time there's a launch, a whole heap of marketers will come online, they'll promote it, and your video just gets lost, especially if you're in the beginning stages of your internet marketing career. So this is going to show you how you can dominate those rankings and what to write in your YouTube descriptions to get better results. You're also going to get the perfect script for YouTube videos. That's all in there. So there's no more excuse why your videos on YouTube will not convert. That's thrown in there, that's $67. So already you have so many systems and training that you're not going to get if you purchase general products online, how to make money. These are little things, little hacks, little tweaks that's been learned over years of doing this. You're going to get how to build an email list for free, because if you do not have money, it is difficult to get people on your list. Now, this is going to... Let me read this for you, because I want to make sure that I just get this right, because I wrote this down, and I'm going to give this to you, but I want to make sure that you know the value of this. If you want to build an email list, you have to give something away for free in order to get people to join. When you joined my list, you got quality stuff for free, and that's why you joined my list. And the best thing is to give away software, but now you don't have to spend thousands of dollars creating it. You'll find out where you can get a super awesome, amazing piece of software to give away for free, and you'll be shown exactly how to set everything up. That's valued at $37. That right there is the key to... That's the key to the riches. 3 email tips. This is all about email marketing, because once you build a list, you want to make sure that people click on your links. You want to make sure that people convert. And it's going to tell you that very first thing that you need to do when you get your emails, when you get somebody on your list, in order to get the best results. I'm going to give you Grow Your Business Funnels, which is all about funnels. If you don't know what funnels is, this will explain it all. And that's going to be thrown in there. That's $97. And How to Make Money with Wikipedia, $96 right over there. Now, that's a total of $537 real-world value thrown in if you purchase Automation Secrets through my link only. Real quick, it's launching on the 31st of January at 10 a.m. EST, $12.97. Think about it. $12.97, you get $600 worth of bonus. It's real value bonus. I'm not talking about hype. I'm not talking about those ridiculous claims that people make where you get $20,000 worth of bonus. This is real world bonuses, things that's being sold, and I'm going to throw it all in there for free for you. So if you want to discover this simple system, then Automation Secrets is really something that I believe in. I had a look at it and I took notes. You can see notes that I have all here. And to be honest, this is something even I was shocked when I saw some of the stuff, because I missed things that I wish I knew before. And this is definitely going to help in the business. So, Automation Secrets, $12.97 front-end offer. It's going to show you a step-by-step training course that will show you a proven system that will help you organize, speed up your workflow, get more focused, and use automation so that you can start earning online that much faster. $12.97. Definitely pick it up. What are the OTOs? OTO 1, Advanced Automation Training Secrets. That's $37. If you click on the no thank you link, it'll take you to another page and you'll get it for $27. So I just saved you $10 right there, and then you're going to learn how to use all the secret tools and software and automation secrets in an actual campaign to generate some income online. You'll see video training using the tools and software, and a case study of the actual results that came from it. Now this is good if you're a visual learner, and I'm the visual learner, and I like to see people do things, and then I can just see what the results is that they got, and I can just follow along. And it's not a necessity, but I do think it is good if you're in the early stages, you're not quite sure what's going on in internet marketing or how to make everything perfect, then this is something that you want to pick up. Again, go for the downsell, it's $27. Don't tell Ronnie I told you. OTO2 is the 5 done for you cash fillers. This makes it as plug and play as possible. Email swipes, review video usage, guaranteed affiliate requests, approval. Everything's set up for you. With your affiliate links, you get hard coded. Honestly, this is, if you're super lazy and you want to make money now, well, this is the way to go. That's $47. Downsell is $37. Again, just click the no thank you link if you want to pick it up. License rights to automation secrets. I think this is a good thing if you want to make 100% commissions. And if you're in the beginning stages, then it's difficult to get people to approve you and give you 100% commission if somebody purchases through your link. And this is going to give you the license rights, so you can guaranteed every time somebody buys from you, you can get a whole heap of money if they buy everything on the list, or even if they just buy one or two things. OTO4 is USA Digi Academy. That's $197. This is coaching, 3 months internet marketing coaching from Ronnie himself. Now, to be honest, I haven't seen his coaching. I haven't been in the coaching. So I can't really talk much, but there's only 50 limited spots available. And for $197, it's really not a bad deal. I paid $2,500 to get coaching from my coach. So you save a lot of money. What would I suggest you pick up? Obviously, the front-end automation secrets. You picked that up, $12.97. Would I tell you to buy the OTO? If you can afford it, yes. If you can afford it, pick up the OTO and see the results. See him actually implementing it in front of your eyes and the success you can get. Done for you cash fillers. Again, you can get it. Personally, I'm not a big fan of done for you unless you're super lazy, but it works. If you want to pick it up, go ahead. I don't think it's necessary right now. License rights, I don't think it's necessary. And coaching, if you can afford it, definitely get the coaching. I'm sure that's going to help you a lot, but I haven't seen the coaching once again, so I can't guarantee anything. So if I had to say anything, pick up the front end, pick up OTO1, get the downsell, it's only $27. Okay, go have a look at the bonuses. You're not going to be disappointed. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's nothing I can say anymore. Automation Secrets really is a game changer. It's not every day a product like this comes along. And with this, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of bonuses that fit perfectly. That streamlines everything. So if you want to work hard, ignore everything in this video. If you want to work smart and make commissions, then go ahead, pick up Automation Secrets. It's definitely going to help you. It's definitely going to push you ahead of the pack, and it's definitely going to save you hours, months, years of work just by following this quick little system. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, click the subscribe button, leave a like, press the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, press the thumb down. I really do not. This is all about you. I would like feedback, questions down below, comments, just say hi, whatever you want to do. I always love interacting with you guys. So until next time, my name is Stephen Banks, broketobanks.com. Goodbye, everybody.